So how to scan a QR code inside your Revolut app. Here we are on the home screen of Revolut, and what you want to do is click on payments at the middle down below. And now you can click on the plus icon in the upper right corner. And here you can either enter a bank details or a Revolut tag, but you can also see a small QR code icon on the right. Just click on it. And then your camera will open up, and here you can either pay with a QR code, or you can also click on receive money from someone. So here you can show your QR code to someone, they can scan it, and then they can pay you directly to your Revolut account. But let's say we want to pay an invoice, then just select pay, and you can scan a QR code, for example this one here. And this will directly bring you to this screen. And here you can see all the informations are already pre-filled. So you don't really have to do anything. You just click on add recipient. And on the next screen, you will see that the correct amount is already there. So you just have to click on continue and make the transfer. So this was how you can scan a QR code inside the Revolut app. I hope it helps. Please give it a thumbs up.